Welcome to French Toast Academy, your cozy corner for learning French with flair. Today, we are going to discover the colors in French. Let's dive into 10 French colors in just a few minutes. Grab a croissant, get comfy, and let's learn together. Colors in French are les couleurs. Let's learn 10 basics, perfect for beginners. We'll say each one, show an example, and repeat twice. First up, red. Rouge. Rouge. Like a juicy apple. La pomme est rouge. Say it with me. Rouge. Next, blue. Bleu. Bleu. Like the sky. Le ciel est bleu. Say it with me. Bleu. Yellow. Jaune. Jaune. Like a lemon. Un citron jaune. Say it with me. Jaune. Green. Vert. Vert. Like a snake. Le serpent est vert. Say it with me. Vert. Black. Noir. Noir. Like coffee. Je voudrais un café noir, s'il vous plaît. Say it with me. Noir. White. Blanc. Blanc. Like the snow. La neige est blanche. Say it with me. Blanc. Orange. Orange. Like an orange. Say it with me. Orange. Pink. Rose. Rose. Like cotton candy. La barbe à papa rose est sucrée. Say it with me. Rose. Purple. Violet. Violet. Like grape. Le raisin est bon. Say it with me. Violet. Brown. Marron. Marron. Like chocolate. Le chocolat marron est délicieux. Say it with me. Marron. Let's repeat twice. Say it with me first time slow. Rouge. Bleu. Jaune. Vert. Noir. Blanc. Orange. Rose. Violet. Et enfin, marron. One more time, faster. Rouge, bleu, jaune, vert, noir, blanc, orange, rose, violet, marron. Great job! Here's a tip. Colors like bleu and vert change slightly for feminine nouns. For example, un citron vert, but une pomme verte. Or, un ciel bleu, but une voiture bleue. We'll cover this in detail in a future episode. Practice by naming colors around you. What is rouge in your room? And that's wrap for this episode. You have learned 10 French colors. Subscribe, share, and comment. How do you say your favorite color in French? Check our beginners playlist for more. Thanks for watching and au revoir.